Your office space is quite large, and aside from eating up too much electricity, your air conditioner can't quite cool down the entire room. Well, at least not after long minutes of waiting, and waiting, and waiting some more. And you're starting to think, which should adjust then? The room or the air conditioner? Hi, I'm Carla at your service, and I have the coolest solution for your aircon needs. Meet the Carrier XPower 2. With the XPower 2, you don't have to worry about sky-high Meralco bills. Because as proven by its high energy efficiency ratio of up to 17, it consumes less electricity compared to other brands, therefore giving you more savings. Not only does it knock down the competition in terms of energy efficiency, but it also packs a serious punch when it comes to cooling power. In fact, it's so powerful that it can cool down a huge room in as little as 6 minutes, with its air throw reaching as far as 20 meters. Now that's a champion! To top it all off, the Carrier XPower 2 looks after your health and safety with its unique auto shutter design. Once the aircon shuts down, the vents automatically close, preventing dust and dirt from entering the unit. So, if you want a powerful aircon that's gentle on electricity, yet works extra hard at providing fast and wide cooling with features that ensure safe and clean air, look no further. The Carrier XPower 2 is your coolest choice.